Come be a star, win the car at RC Mobile Adventures time trial, the fun part. Or call us and we'll bring some jumps and obstacles to a birthday party. Either one. This is a time trial, so we don't have to have a group event, but in order to be entered in the time trial, you have to record your pass, whether it be FPV or a partner or whatever, and then you have to submit it. Here's the 124th World Championship crawling wall. I put some paint on there. I just can't capture. You can see a few of them yellow rocks. For some reason, I got some static between me and that wall when it's really not even that far away from where I'm sitting right here. So let me walk in there a little closer because this is ridiculous. This picture is not very good. Well, I'm super close with my setup, and I guess it looks a little better to you. You see the wall? Right there's the tolerance set. I gotta get these leaves off for the 24 scale can compete. Oh, too much. I'm gonna walk you around it so you can really. There you have it. I hope that captured it for you. I don't know, there's some kind of stat between here and there. Around this side of the house. It might be the refrigerator. Could be my battery getting a little low. Well, that's the beginning of it. There's the high speed ring, the oval. Got some jumps set out right now. I was just testing jumps, configuring in my head the best calibration for the jumps. I've seen some other companies that have calculated their jumps a little bit better, but I'm just starting. Those two jumps there are pretty good. Red and the yellow, or this one and the yellow one. Oh, and that's all, folks.